How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Wi-Fi network not showing in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if this Wi-Fi is not being shown to you in your device, this is how you fix the issue. The thing that you'll need to do is head over to your search bar and simply search for services. After you search for services, open it up. Now after you're here, you will need to search for an option called WLAN. So yeah, all of these are in alphabetical order, so you won't have any trouble finding it. Simply search for WLAN and it's right here. It's WLAN auto config. Open this up and right here make sure that your startup type is set to automatic. After you put to automatic, you will need to tap on this start option. Make sure that it's running. You can stop it and start if it is already running, and then tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, your problem will get fixed. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.